Hi everyone, I'm Suzanne Lyons. I'm a film producer here in Los Angeles, and I'd like to tell you about a seminar that I'm going to be leading on Saturday, January 9th. It's one of my favorite seminars, and it's called Launching the Future, and the alumni have been after me to do it again this year. And I think with COVID keeping us so isolated, and separate from friends and family and colleagues, I feel we're all going to need the workshop this year. Because it will be on Zoom this time, what I've done is I've shortened the number of hours to make it more doable for everyone and more accessible for people in different time zones. So we'll start with a 2.5 hour morning where we'll focus on completing 2020 and have a short lunch break, then come back and do another 2.5 hours where we'll start creating 2021. I'll be sending out a fair amount of homework to help you with the section on completion. We all tend to gloss over the past year, ignoring our incompletions, disregarding our accomplishments, and overlooking the places that we've gotten stuck. No doubt the COVID virus has kept you from networking, having meetings, working on projects that you'd planned to complete this year, attending family and friend events and celebrations, and any number of things that you planned but were not able to make happen. In the workshop, we'll spend time completing, really completing, so that we can create and design from a truly blank slate 2021. If you're not putting yourself in charge of your life and career and literally creating your future, you will always be at the effect of what is going on around you. So moving into the new year should be fun. It should be a thrilling adventure. Dragging our past along with us will take all the joy out of it. So from a blank slate, you'll get to expand, explore, and have fun. When you're complete, you'll be freed up to see the big picture and be able to design a year and a life that passionately turns you on. Because the workshop will be on Zoom, I've cut the cost of the class in half. The early bird price will be $85 US, and after December 18th, it will go up to $105. For more information, just go to my site, suzannelyons.net, and click on Launching the Future 2021. I really look forward to seeing many of you on Saturday, January 9th.